Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing part 11 of my Halloween series, The Wolf. You will need a 6cm poly ball, a 4mm crochet hook, a sewing needle, 8mm safety eyes, a stitch marker and a pair of scissors. You'll need cream yarn, light grey yarn, dark grey yarn, black yarn and white yarn. In cream yarn we're going to create a magic ring and put 6 single crochets into that magic ring. We're now going to do 2 single crochets in each stitch. We're now going to do 2 single crochets in the next stitch and then single crochet in the next 2. We'll do that 4 times. We're now going to do 2 single crochets in the next stitch and then single crochet in the next 3. We'll do that 4 times. Now I'm going to do 2 single crochets in the next stitch and then single crochet in the next 3. And we'll do that 5 times. Two single crochets in the next stitch, single crochet in the next 4. Do that 5 times. For the next 5 rows we're going to single crochet in each stitch. Okay, we're going to single crochet 2 together and then single crochet in the next 4. Do that 5 times. Okay, we're going to insert the poly ball now. And we're going to single crochet 2 together, then single crochet in the next 3, and we'll do that 5 times. I'm going to single crochet 2 together, single crochet in the next 3, and we'll do that 4 times. Going to single crochet 2 together, and then single crochet in the next 2. We'll do that 3 times. Now we're going to single crochet 2 together 6 times, just to close that gap. Okay, I'm going to just do one last single crochet 2 together. Just tie off, we'll weave in those ends. Still in the cream yarn, we're going to do another magic ring. I'm going to put 5 single crochets into that magic ring. Now I'm going to do 2 single crochets in each stitch. I'm going to do 2 single crochets in the next stitch, and then single crochet in the next 2, and 2 single crochets in the next stitch, and then single crochet in the next 6. Now in the back loops only, we're going to single crochet in each stitch. Now I'm going to do 2 single crochets in the next stitch, and then single crochet in the next. We'll do that 6 times all the way around. So now we're just going to go around and then slip stitch in each stitch. And we're just going to tie off now. and we're going to sew the snout to the main ball. So we're just going to sew part of it in, and then we're going to stuff while we've still got the opening. Once that's stuffed, then we'll just sew the rest of it on. So now we've got the foundation, we can now make the rest to make it a bit more woolfy. So in dark grey yarn, we're going to make a magic ring. Then we'll do 6 single crochets into that magic ring. Now we're going to do 2 single crochets in each stitch. Two single crochets in the next stitch, and then single crochet in the next 2, and we'll do that 4 times. Two single crochets in the next stitch, and then single crochet in the next 3, and we'll do that 4 times. Two single crochets in the next stitch, single crochet in the next 3, and we'll do that 5 times. Going to 2 single crochets in the next stitch, single crochet in the next 4, and we'll do that 5 times. In the next 5 rows, we're going to single crochet in each stitch. Okay, so we're now going to single crochet in the next 15. And then we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. And we're going to single crochet in the next 15 again. chain 1, turn our work. We're going to single crochet in the next 15 again. Going to chain 1, turn our work, and now we're going to single crochet 2 together, single crochet in the next 11, going to single crochet 2 together, chain 1 and turn our work. We're now going to single crochet 2 together, single crochet in the next 9, going to single crochet 2 together, chain 1, turn our work. Now we're going to single crochet 2 together again, single crochet in the next 7, single crochet 2 together, chain 1, turn our work. Going to single crochet 2 together, single crochet in the next 5, going to single crochet 2 together, chain 1, turn our work, single crochet 2 together, single crochet in the next 3, single crochet 2 together, and now we're just going to chain 1 and we'll join in the black yarn here. Just going to turn our work. Now we're going to half double crochet 2 together. I'm going to half double crochet in the next stitch, and then again half double crochet 2 together. We're going to chain 1, turn our work, and we'll just single crochet in the next 3 stitches and then we'll tie it off. So in light grey yarn we're just going to create a slip knot, and at the tip of the nose we're just going to join just there. We'll single crochet in the next 2 stitches just on the top of the black nose, and then we'll do half double crochets in each stitch all the way round until you get to the other side of the black nose. Okay, and now we're going to single crochet in the next 2, and then we'll tie off. Now in white yarn we're going to create a slip knot, and we're going to make the teeth. So we're going to count 4, and then in the back loops we'll join that white yarn with a single crochet, and we'll single crochet in the next 2. And now we're going to chain 2. We're going to single crochet in the second chain from hook, and then we're going to go back into that stitch and we're going to slip knot, and then we'll tie off. I'm going to count back again on the other side, join in that 4th stitch along with a single crochet. This again in the back loops, single crochet in the next 2, chain 2, single crochet in the second chain from hook, and then slip stitch into that same stitch and tie off. Now we've got lots of straggly bits of yarn, so we'll start with the excess white yarn and we'll just weave in those loose ends. Now with the black yarn we're just going to sew that on into the snout and make sure that's secure, like so. And now we want some eyes. Now you want to place those just where the head and the nose meet. Roughly about 4 stitches apart. And once you're happy, secure the eyes. Now with the dark grey excess yarn, we're just going to do a little line just across the snout, just to give it a bit more definition. And we'll just continue sewing around the head to fix it in place. And likewise with the light grey yarn, we'll just sew that all the way around to secure the work. Okay, now we're going to need some ears. So in dark grey yarn, we're going to create a magic ring and put 4 single crochets into that magic ring. Now we're going to single crochet in each stitch. Now I'm going to do 2 single crochets in the next stitch, and then single crochet in the next stitch, and we'll do that again. So 2 single crochets in the next stitch, and single crochet in the next stitch. Now you want to single crochet in each stitch. Okay, so now we're going to do 2 single crochets in the next 2 stitches. And then we'll do 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And we'll do that again, so 2 single crochets in the next 2 stitches. And single crochet in the next stitch. Okay, so now we're going to do single crochet in the next 2, and then 2 single crochets in the next 2 stitches, single crochet in the next 2, and then a single crochet 2 together twice. Okay, and we'll do that again for row 7. So single crochet in the next 2, two single crochets in the next 2 stitches, single crochet in the next 2, and then single crochet 2 together twice. Okay, and we'll make 2 of those, and now we can sew them onto the head like so. Okay, and now we can add the string. So I've done it in gold sparkle yarn, but you can choose whichever colour. We'll do a slip knot, and we'll chain 30 to 40, tie it off, and we'll just sew that onto the head. And there you have it, your very own wolf. If you like this tutorial, there are many more to come. Hit the like and subscribe buttons to be notified in the coming days when the next tutorial will be released. Follow me on Instagram for more of my upcoming projects at Karina Jane Crochet. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.